In today's video, I will walk you through how to attach files in Xero. To begin, remember that Xero allows you to attach files to most transaction types. Whether you're working with an invoice, a bill, or another type of transaction, the process is very similar. From your Xero dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen and locate the plus icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu containing the different transaction types you can create. From the list, select the transaction type that matches what you're working on. Choose the appropriate option, such as an invoice, a bill, or another transaction that supports file attachments. Selecting the correct transaction ensures your documents are stored with the right record. After selecting the transaction type, you'll be taken to the transaction editing screen. This is where you'll enter or review the details of the transaction before attaching your files. Take a moment to look around the transaction window. Depending on the version or layout of Xero you're using, you'll either see a file icon near the top of the page or a Files button closer to the bottom of the transaction fields. Either option allows you to begin attaching documents. Once you've found the file icon or the Files button, click on it to open the available file options. The location may vary slightly, but the function is the same. When the menu appears, select the Upload option. This will open the file selection window on your device, allowing you to browse for the documents you want to attach. Locate the file or files you want to add, select them, and confirm your selection. You can attach the documents that belong with the transaction you're currently working on. After you've selected the files, Xero will upload them and attach them directly to the transaction. Wait for the upload to finish before continuing so the files are fully linked to the record. Once the upload is complete, review the transaction to make sure the attached files are displayed correctly. This lets you confirm that the documents have been added successfully and are now associated with the transaction. If you need to attach more than one document, repeat the upload process until all of the required files have been added. Keeping all related documents together makes them easier to locate whenever you return to the transaction. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.